Hi guys. In this video, I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for LD Player 9. Click on the official website. Now here you will see the Download LD Player 9 button. Click on this button to download it. Download, start, and end immediately. Click on the setup here and install it. Now click on the Start button here to open LD Player 9. Now here, let's open this LD store. Here in the search bar, search for Brawl Stars, and then click on the Install button here. Now first, you need to log in to Google Play Store here. Once you log in, then once again click on Install. Now click on Play, and as you can see, Brawl Stars are successfully running on my PC. As a gamer, it can be really hard to meet other people who share your interest. Heck, it's hard to find people who don't judge you for it. But did you know that there's a dating app specifically designed for gamers? Everyone on the app has the same hobby as you, making it much easier to form meaningful connections. If this sounds interesting, click the link in the description and try it out. You might end up finding your real-life player too.